All right, par 4. I got the sniffles. It's getting colder now here in Arizona. Thank the Lord. But that means that you guys are gonna have to listen to my sniffles for the rest of the season. Well, that is when my little cut comes in handy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, 165. Oh, that's so pure. Be good. Oh, what? Weird. That was like a little knuckler. Left it right on the front of the green. Honestly, for a miss here, I'll take the front of the green. Okay. All right. To save par. That's just not even a good putt. Ugh. What can I say?